If anyone watched my last video, you know that I failed at this 3D print. So I went back to the drawing board, made sure to measure it this time, reprinted it, added a little bit better tolerances, and actually measured it for the purpose that I'm going to be making it for. And again, this plate sticks like none other. It is insane. I need two hands in order to get the print off. So of course I had to put the phone down in order to get this thing off. I know it's the most satisfying part, but looks good. Let's see, fits everything that I'm wanting it to fit, and it closes nicely. Thanks for watching.